Hey guys, Brendan with the Home Happy team and Mike here today. We just wanted to dive a little bit into what's happening here in the Okanagan and talk a little bit about some opportunities available. Mike?
Yeah, the rates aren't all good news. There's a little bit of upward pressure still. Every time we say we think the Bank of Canada is done, it seems like something comes along to disturb it, and U.S. inflation numbers came in higher than expected. The Canadian number came in a little bit where we predicted, but not low, like super low. So there's still some pressure on the Bank of Canada to look at another 0.25% increase at their next meeting. But in the meantime, we still think there's some great opportunities.
Yeah, I agree. I think talking with prices having come down a little bit and rates gone up, there are some advantages. I know a lot of people have a difficult time saving down payment. With the price of houses coming down, we've now seen down payments don't have to be as large. You don't have to have as much saved to get into the market. It gives people a little bit more opportunity. Maybe you get something a little bit bigger, or maybe something you didn't think you could afford and was still a year away from saving might be an opportunity for you now versus what it would have been a year or 18 months ago. So there is some flexibility in the market. Although maybe we might be paying a little bit more on a month-to-month basis, the value in the house is there and is much higher than it could have been previously, and the opportunity for equity to build has come back quite large too, which is a huge benefit.
Yeah, the important part there is affordability. It's not great, but it's better. And the other thing is looking at it from the point of view that you can actually look at a property now and maybe make a proper offer where you have some subjects and you can control what happens. The other issue is there's not enough listings, but that's for a different discussion. For the financing side, we just look at it as there are opportunities. There are situations where you probably want to look again. Maybe you didn't look over the last 6 months or a year. You decided it wasn't time. We think it is a good time now to look. There's less people looking, so it's a great time to look for opportunities.
Yeah. And just talking on not as many listings, we're starting to see now with a lot of our realtor partners that we work with, people are getting busier and people are coming back to the market. So as Mike said, just to touch on it again, it is time to open your eyes, start looking again, because things are starting to show up on the market and they're not lasting as long as they were last summer. People are buying again. So you definitely want to be on the ball when you're looking and be ready to kind of go and have your ducks in a row. So when it is time to go, you're ready to make a move.
Yeah, so if you have any questions or would like to get your plan put in place, reach out to us. We'd love to help you.